Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we have a very lovely prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1960 Norton Model 50. It's a 350cc, and this can be won on our website for just £1.99. And the draw will take place on the 15th of February, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. What I'll do now, I'll just show you around the bike. So like I said, this is a Norton Model 50, which is a 350 single British motorcycle. Really good at handling because they were built with this Norton Featherbed frame. A lot of people used to take the engines out of this particular bike and put Triumph engines in, make them into Tritons. So it's quite rare to see an original Norton Model 50 because it's a lower cc, 350cc. Loads of them convert to cafe racers, so it's nice to see this still in its frame and all original. It's all been fully restored. I think it's an older restoration, but still in fantastic order. It's got nice stainless steel rims and spokes. It's got the iconic Norton rolled holder forks. Looks like it's got a new exhaust system. Paint's really good. So just a really nice British single. And what we'll do now, we'll start it. It's quite cold today, and the bike is fully cold. It hasn't been started for about 3 weeks because it's been Christmas. So we haven't started any bikes for a while. So we can see if it starts. We've got a key up here. So I would imagine turning that is on. And our fuel tap is on the other side. No, here. Oh, let's bend down. The fuel tap's up here, hidden under the tank. So down is on. Got a plunger here, which we hold down until fuel comes out. There's enough fuel in here. Yeah, that's coming out now. Sure we don't get run over. And we have a choke up here, which is very cold, so we'll put that on, which is loose cable choke. Okay. It hasn't got a decompression lever, but as it's a 350, you don't really need it. You can just rock it over compression quite easily. And we'll just get it just over. Oh, just on top of it. Give it a swing. Hopefully it starts. Give it another go. Might need quite a bit of tickling because it's very cold. Okay, it fired there. Nearly. Sure the choke's fully on. Give it another go. There we go. There she blows. They're a really nice, smooth sounding motor. I'll give you a little listen. Quite a nice exhaust tone as well. It is very cold up here, so you will see some condensation. And it also might wet something a little bit, so that means the oil starts to drain to the bottom of the engine if you don't use it. And then it gets kind of scavenged back up into the oil tank, but it does burn a bit through the exhaust. So it will smoke a bit, but I think that's mostly condensation. Take the choke off, see what happens. Seems to be okay. Iconic Norton sounds pretty good for a 350cc single. Yeah, it's overall quite a handsome British bike. See if it ticks over. Probably needs warm up a bit more, but these Nortons are quite good at ticking over. Don't know, waiting for it to die, but maybe it won't. There we are, it did. So yeah, if you like this bike, win it for £1.99, and the draw will take place on the 15th of February, which is a Sunday at 10 PM, and it's the classiccompetitioncompany.com if you fancy a ticket. If you do buy a ticket, good luck, and as always, thank you for your support. Lovely. Isaac likes it, doesn't he?